Good morning, students. Today, simultaneous linear equations in two variables. In my last video, I explained you to solve the two variables by two methods, that is substitution method and the elimination method. Now today I will explain you the cross multiplication method. This is the third method to find out the variables in simultaneous linear equations. So if we take the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a, b are the coefficients of x and y, and c is the constant term. And we know if a1 upon a2, that is the ratio of coefficient of x, is not equal to the coefficient of the y, then the equation has a real solution, that is unique solution. So a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. This is taken as a constant term. Now if we write all the coefficients in a manner, that is a1 b1 c1 a1 b2 and a2 b2 c2 a2 and b2. Now cross multiply means if we multiply the b1 c2 minus b2 c1 and then c1 into a2 minus c2 a1 and then a1 into b2 minus a2 b1, so we get three these values. Now if the coefficient of b1 x2 minus b2 c1 is divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, you will get the variable x, and then the coefficient of c and a, that is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, you will get the y. Now taking one example, suppose x plus y is equal to 7 and 5x plus 12y is equal to 7. Two equations are given. First we will write these equations in the manner x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here constant term will be taken toward the left hand side. And second equation is 5x plus 12y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now if we write the coefficients b1 c1 a1 b1 b2 c2 a2 b2. Now the first is b1 c2, that is b1 c2 minus b2 c1. We put the value b1 1 c2 minus 7 minus b12 and the minus 7, that is minus 7 plus 84, that is plus 77. In the same way we get second c1 a2 c1 a2 minus c2 a1 minus 7 into 5 minus 35 and minus 7 into 1, that is 7, that is the minus 28. And if we get the constant value, that is a1 b2 minus a2 b1, that you get the value 7. Now we know the x is equal to this b1 c2, that is 77 upon 7 is equal to 11, and y is equal to c1 a2 upon constant term minus 28 upon 7, that is minus 4. So this is one of the method, that is a cross multiplication method. In this method, first take the constant term toward the left hand side, then apply the coefficient in this manner. Write the coefficient a1 b1 c1 a1 b1, then a2 b2 c2 a2 b1. Cross multiply the b1 c2 and the c1 a2 and the a1 b2 to get the value of the b1 c2 and b2 c1, and then c1 a2 minus c2a, then a2 b2 minus a2 b1. Then by taking the example, we take first the constant term toward the left hand side and we write all the coefficients, and then putting the value we get x will be 77 upon 7, that is plus 11, y is equal to minus 28 upon 7, that is minus 4. So I think it is clear to you. Please, if you like my videos, please subscribe and share it. Thanks very much.